Hi everybody, this is Dan Sheridan. Good morning, welcome, good afternoon, welcome to Monday, June 22nd. SPX is up about 17 points at 3100 level, and VIX is at a still a pretty elevated price, 32 and a half, down a little over 2.5 points today. And what I'm looking at today is a covered right alternative. Kind of a neutral to bullish trade in SPY. So with SPY right now at $310.43 is a much cheaper alternative to a covered right. You know, one covered right in a $310 vehicle like SPY is going to be like $31,000. Woozy. So here, if I buy one in the money July 31, 281 call, and it's going for, let's say, $33.50, and that's kind of a stock surrogate. It's about an 80 delta, so if SPY goes up 1 point, this option will go up 80 cents, but you're only spending $3,300 versus $31,000 for SPY. And against this in-the-money call or stock surrogate, I'm going to sell an in-the-money call, get a little more downside protection, because I think we're in the upper end of the range in SPY. And even though this is a neutral to bullish trade, and I'm taking this stance, putting on this type of a trade every week, short term, I think the market could back off just a little bit, so I want a little more downside protection on this covered right alternative. So I'm going to sell one July 24, 32 days out. My long is 39 days out, and I'm going to sell the 304 call in the money. And for this 304 call, the price is like $14.20. That gives you a lot of downside protection. And so the cost of one long diagonal or covered right alternative would be about $19.30 debit, or $1,930 again, versus over 30 grand if you're doing a covered right. So that's a long diagonal in SPY. And as you go up on $1,930, that's the cost. This is your expiration graph in 32 days, the green graph, and the purple is what it looks like today. So most long diagonals or covered rights are going to look like airplanes, you know, when you take off. They go up and then they level off at about 30,000 feet. And as they're going up, that's where you make your money on these covered rights, is when that ascending or ascending up, and you're starting out long deltas in this case, because again, I'm buying this is symbol for delta, like an 80 delta, and I'm selling about a 60 delta. So I'm almost about 20 deltas long. So if we go up, think in terms of deltas like stock equivalent. If we go up 1 point in SPY, make $20. If we go down a dollar, I lose about $20. So it's a bullish trade, long diagonal, great alternative to covered rights. Anyways, that's my idea for today. Check out SheridanMentoring.com. We have a great $49 trial for 1 month to come in and taste our wonderful cooking and education for a month. Thanks, everybody.